Understanding composting in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning of the term composting. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it in your everyday conversations. Composting is an environmental process where organic materials, like kitchen waste and yard trimmings, break down over time. This decomposed matter, called compost, is rich in nutrients and can be used as a soil enhancer, making plants grow healthier. 1. Key components of composting. 2. Organic matter. Things like fruit and vegetable scraps, leaves, and grass clippings. 3. Decomposition. The breakdown of this matter by microorganisms, fungi, and other decomposers. 4. End product. A dark, crumbly, and earthy-smelling substance called compost. Sometimes, in English, we use terms in a metaphorical or figurative sense. While composting primarily refers to the environmental process, it can also be used metaphorically in conversations. For example, one might say, "I need to compost my thoughts." In this context, they mean they need time to let their ideas settle and mature, similar to how organic matter breaks down into compost. Now that you know the meaning, let's look at some sentences to understand its usage. 1. Literal use. We've started composting at home to reduce kitchen waste and nourish our garden. 2. Figurative use. After a hectic week, I need some time to compost my experiences before I can write about them. And there we have it. You've just added another intriguing English phrase to your vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words but also the stories and ideas they represent. We hope you found this explainer on composting insightful. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.